Hi, I'm Jeremy with Elite Roofing, and just wanted to kind of go through some job site logistics for us when we do a roof replacement. This is a standard job. They're getting a complete replacement, which means tearing the shingles all the way down to the wood. And this is a 6-man crew that's working on this job. It'll take about 2 days to finish. Our company policy is that we don't tear off more shingles than we can put back in the same day. So they've already started working in the back, and they've torn off all the shingles and they've gone to the front, and they're going to hold off here on the garage. That way if there's a pop-up shower, no one gets harmed, and life is good. A couple of other things is we try to get the trailer as close as we can to the house, so it's an easy throw off into the trailer, and the crew will end up putting their tools, they'll unload or unpack their van, and they have to get everything out, and so there'll be a lot of things going on in this house throughout the day. Customers always ask if they need to be home during the replacement. I always encourage them to leave, just because it's very loud and very messy, but when we're done, everything will be made right. We'll end up rolling the yard with one of these magnets to pick up loose nails. We'll use this magnet right here to go throughout the landscaping bits to find as many nails as we possibly can. We don't get them all, but we do our very, very best to make sure everything's taken care of for the customer and for any animals that they might have. So overall, these guys are doing a fantastic job and replacing everything on this roof, and we're very happy the customer chose us.